are the 6 ways of financing or getting the finances if you are interested in doing any kind of international trade. The very first one is private equity. We'll be starting with the private equity. Now, what is private equity? If I'm talking of private equity, it is specifically for a long term, if you need money for a long term, and that too a very huge amount of money you require, then only people go in for getting the private equity. Now, it is a source of long term and huge amount of investment capital from high net worth individuals and institutions. From where do we get that? It can be any individual, or it can be a group of individuals or a group of institutions for the purpose of investing and acquiring equity ownership in the company. So that it means that if a person is investing in your project, so he will be having a partial ownership in the project that you have taken the money for. Now, this, why is it called private? Because this equity, it is not quoted on the stock exchange, so that is why it is called as private equity. Now, the partners at PE firms, they raise funds, and these funds are managed so that they can get a favorable returns for their shareholder clients. Only then, अगर आप किसी से पैसे ले रहे हो, if you're asking money from someone, they do need some kind of return on that, na? So that is why there are special partners kept in these PE firms so that they can manage the funds and they can give you good returns for the money you have put in. And typically, it is for, as I told you, that it is for a long term, so it is for long to medium investment horizon. Now, the capital that you get from PE, the money that you're getting from any kind of private equity, that can be used to fund new technologies, expand the working capital, make any kinds of acquisitions or mergers, or in order to strengthen your own balance sheets. So these are the probable uses that you can do from the probable uses of getting money through private equity. uh, for the private equity, there are like one two important activities. Like first is the deal origination. अगर आप कोई किसी भी तरह का merger या acquisition कर रहे हो, you need to originate the deal from somewhere. So private equity, for private equity, if you're using a private equity firm, so they can do that part for you. That is, they can just originate the deals. And also, if you have a portfolio, so they can just oversee your portfolio and give assistance to you on what is the best practices such as financial and strategic planning, then how can you best use the technology, etc. So that's for the private equity.